Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your workspace name on Asana. So you can see right now my current workspace. If I click my account or hover over it in the upper right, you will see the workspace called Drew. But let's say I wanted to change that to Drew Tech. To change the workspace name, click your account on the upper right hand side and click on the admin console. And you can go ahead and simple click on settings on the left hand side. Here you have the workspace name, just click on it. And here you have the option to rename it. So I can just say that I can just change it to Drew Tech, for example. And you don't even have to use the word workspace. You can just say Drew Tech. It's a Drew Tech Hub, for example. Then click on Save Changes. This has now renamed the workspace to Drew Tech Hub. And so if I go back and even do a refresh, that workspace will now have the Drew Tech Hub, right? So you will be able to see it in the lower section here on the teams that it shows Drew Tech Hub. On the upper right hand side, inside over it shows Drew Tech Hub as well. And that's pretty much it.